Welcome to the Student Academic Learning Services Academic Reading Module. During the module, we'll talk about why professors often assign academic reading, and we'll talk about common misconceptions that students hold about academic reading. We'll also talk about a number of things that you can do to prepare for your reading assignment. And we'll talk about what you can do while you're reading and afterwards to try and retain the information so you never have to read the full section again. So why do professors require academic reading? Well, they know that it gives you an opportunity to learn new concepts and ideas outside of classroom hours. So a lot of times this kind of reading will be assigned before a class, and it'll help you to prepare for your class. So it might give you a fundamental understanding, or it might give you some questions to ask during the class. They also know that it'll help you pull out concepts and develop your skills with academic reading. And of course, if you improve your skills in academic reading, that will also improve your comprehension and ideally save you some time. There are some common misconceptions about academic reading. Students often believe you have to read every word in every paragraph on every page of every chapter in every textbook, and simply that's not true. You have to learn to be selective, where to put your attention. And sometimes there will be sections that are not relevant to you and you don't need them. So learning to be selective is part of learning about academic reading. Students sometimes feel that you should read everything at the same speed and in the same way. And this is also not true. You have to learn to vary your rate of speed. Sometimes you'll be going very quickly, searching for some information or getting a general idea. Other times you'll find some important information and you'll need to slow down. You should understand everything after reading it once. Well, sometimes the complicated ideas that are presented are new to you and you're just learning about them. So you may have to stop sometimes and just check in with yourself to make sure you've understood that. There's no point in continuing if you didn't understand the first part, because likely the next part will be building on that. So there's nothing wrong with checking in with yourself. If you didn't understand that part, then go back and read it again. And the idea that your comprehension will drop if you increase your speed. Well, there's a way to slowly increase your speed. So for example, if you have a comfortable reading speed and you push yourself just a little bit beyond that normal comfortable speed, where you can still understand what you're reading and it's still reasonable, the speed, but a little faster than your normal speed. If you do that over a period of time, this new speed will actually become your comfortable speed. And this is how you can slowly, incrementally increase your reading speed.